Welcome, today in front of me Black Shark 5 Pro, and I'll show you how to switch on and switch off screen touches in screen recording. So first we should find the tools folder, and in this folder we will see the screen recorder application. Just to activate settings, open the app, click to application, and you'll see here settings icon. Just tap here once, and after that you'll see here the screen recorder settings. Just scroll a little bit down here and you'll see here the show touch gestures and show button taps. So just to activate them, so here we'll activate the feature to visualize gestures using a white dot, and here we'll visualize navigation button taps. So just to activate these options, click on the switchers, and to turn them off, click on the switchers once again. And also you can open the screen recorder settings by the second way. Just first open notification panel, and after that you should find somewhere here the screen recorder icon. If you have this icon here, just click on the edit icon here, and you'll find this screen recorder icon in this down section. Just click here to plus icon, tap to done, and after that just hold for a while screen recorder settings here. Just by the same way you can show screen touches and button taps in your screen recordings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.